Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I want to review and test the Cabletime 15-in-1 docking station. So this is a USB-C docking station capable of display 8K video and support for 3 monitors. So without losing any more time, let's open it up and check it out. Right on top we got the accessories and instructions box, and inside we got a USB-C cable and some instructions too. On the bottom, of course, we got the docking station itself. And as you can see, this is a full aluminum dock, which is always nice. It is small and compact, which is also very good, and it feels really solid and well built. However, the most important thing here is how it works, not how it looks. So let's try it, but before, let's give a quick tour for the main specs. So starting for the available ports, on the rear you have one USB-C port with power delivery capability that you can use to power your device, a USB-C port to connect the docking station to the computer, of course, a display port and 2 HDMI ports capable of 8K resolutions. You also have a USB and a gigabit Ethernet port. On the front you have 2 USBs 3.0, an SD and TF card reader, 3.5mm audio jack, a USB-A and 2 USB-C 3.2 ports, and of course you also have the on-off switch and the LED. As I already mentioned, this docking is capable of display 8K resolutions and also a refresh rate up to 240 Hz. As for the connections, it can handle 3 monitors with various modes, of course in mirror or extended, but also depending on your operating system. There are other interesting specifications like the HDR, the 10 gigabits data transfer speed, but this in my opinion is the most important ones. And with that being said, let's try it finally. I will use my MacBook Air that we all know have a lack of ports, so let's connect it to one of the USB-C ports and also connect it to this screen/TV that I have here and see how it works. And as you can see, the setup is pretty easy and simple. No need to install drivers, software, nothing. It's really simple. And also no need to power the dock either. It's really easy. So, and after I adjust the settings on my Mac to extend mode, I want to start for testing. And first I want to test the speed of the USB-C ports on the front. For that I have this USB-C external drive and I will copy a file with around 5 gigabytes, first connected to the dock and then connected to the Mac itself, and then compare the times. So I finished the tests off camera, and funny enough, as you can see on the screen, left time is the dock, right time is connected directly to the Mac. The dock is faster. But of course, as I did this manually, is not 100% correct, but we can clearly see that the time is the same, so it's good, it's fast. And of course, the most important test, the image, that we can already see it works, and we can also see there's no lag, no problems at all too. Works perfectly. So what's my final conclusion? I think it's a great docking station for a nice price. It's a shame for me as a Mac user that is not possible use the extended mode as ABCD like on Windows. So basically if you use 3 monitors you're gonna end up not necessarily 3 times the expansion because the image will be the same on the 3. And also as they provide the power delivery port, they can also, or they should, include a charger too. Other than that, the compact design and the design itself is a plus. It works fine, do all the functions perfectly, so what can I say? It does the job just fine. So if you want to buy one of these or want to know more about these, I leave the link in the description below, and I also leave you a discount code for 15%, so don't miss it. And so this is all for today. If you have any doubts, just leave it on the comments or email me. And as always, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.